Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Nissan Maxima versus the Chevy Impala. Let's start by looking at their performance capabilities. The Maxima typically features a 3.5-liter V6 engine, while the Impala often comes with a 3.6-liter V6. The Maxima uses a continuously variable transmission, or CVT, for smooth power delivery. In contrast, the Impala generally employs a conventional 6-speed automatic transmission. Moving inside, the Impala is known for its generous interior volume, offering ample legroom and headroom for all passengers. The Maxima, however, presents a more driver-focused cockpit, feeling a bit more intimate. Both sedans offer comfortable seating with available leather surfaces. You'll also find modern infotainment systems, with the Maxima often featuring an 8-inch touchscreen. When it comes to technology and safety, both vehicles perform well. They have each earned a 5-star overall safety rating. The Impala typically comes with 10 standard airbags, providing extensive protection. The Maxima often includes Nissan Safety Shield 360, a suite of driver assistance features. Both models also offer various available advanced driver aids. The driving experience differs between these two. The Maxima aims for a sportier feel, with responsive handling. The Impala, on the other hand, prioritizes a smooth and comfortable ride, making it excellent for long journeys. In terms of fuel efficiency, the Maxima generally has a slight advantage. Ultimately, your choice depends on whether you prefer sportiness or comfort in your full-size sedan.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.